Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is just going to be a little short update video about my andirons that I made. If you haven't seen this video, I will leave the information card up in the upper right hand corner. Also, a link to the video down in the description box below. I do love the andirons, but there's something missing. They're a little bit too boxy. Alex suggested trying to mount them on some kind of little metal stand. Let's see what we can do. Okay guys, so I went searching and of course on my beloved eBay, I found these beautiful antique sorbet dishes. Got a package of 8 of them for around 100 euros, and I'm hoping that this is what I can use as metal stands to help mount my andirons. Hi guys, okay, going in with a metal bit, we have decided to drill all the way through the center of the dish so we can have a long screw that goes through and anchors that into the black pedestal. Then, turning it on its head, we're going in from the side and we're drilling in 2 holes. We can go in with the screw underneath the white sculpture to secure that. Okay guys, here you can see better my center hole that we drilled all the way through and the side holes here. Like I said, we're going to go through the center here with 1 long screw to secure into the black base, and then from the side to secure in the white top. Okay, this is how we're going to mount the silver on there. We already have the holes drilled. I think everything is even. But I noticed something now from cutting the wood pieces, and you remember how uneven they were. Now that they're sitting on the metal mount, I noticed this little piece of the scallop design is just sticking out there, and it's more visible now that it's sitting on the metal mounts. Here there is not one. So we're going to come in here and we're going to sand that off so it looks totally even, and then it's time to screw them into the metal mounts. Okay guys, now we have the final reveal. Yes, I am so happy now that they're mounted on this silver pieces there. It gives them that perfect finishing, elegant touch. Even if I don't use them as andirons later, they look like a beautiful piece of art. They could sit on any table, any console. It looks like I bought them exactly like that. And actually, I made them. Okay, you guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. It was just a little quick update, short but sweet. And please consider to subscribe, give me a like, turn on your notifications so you know about my next videos, and I will enjoy seeing you next time. Bye.